Hello students, so this is a quick tutorial for how to use your intervention Peardeck. You will notice that you've probably used Peardeck in class with your teachers before, but for the most part your teacher is the one that's controlling it. For this Peardeck today, you are the one that is in control. So in order to advance through the slides, you're going to use this arrow here. You can also use the arrow keys on your keyboard. There are some other things I want to call your attention to in that menu bar as well. You can see down here at the bottom there's a headphones icon. The headphone icon is only going to be showing on the slides that have some audio included. So you will see on the slide that it says audio included, and when that's there you'll have this little icon. When you click on that headphone, there will be a little menu that looks like this. You can control the volume, but when you click play, you will hear,
"Hello, welcome to today's intervention."
You will hear me reading to you some information and also explaining a little bit of extras. So those audio bites are there for you to help you follow along, to explain some of the information on the slides, and to make this a little bit more interactive. Also, you will notice as you go through that there are definitions, but there are questions as well. Please make sure for any of the questions you use complete sentences and you read carefully what is being asked. Otherwise, using all of the information you have, there are some other tools and things that you will have the opportunity to use. Notice this is an audio included slide, so I want to follow along there and choose the correct answers when we get to those as well. If you have any questions, please make sure you ask your teacher. Otherwise, follow the directions and read the slides very carefully so that you can be proficient on your retake.